What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to fix Windows not charging. So if you're stuck on service your battery, here are a few things you could do before considering replacing it. So the first thing you might want to do is to unplug and plug in your power adapter. This might be a temporary glitch, and trying to unplug and replugging your power cable might just solve the problem. If that doesn't do it, you can try to restart your computer and see if it works. Now, there are a few things you can also do to help in this situation. Go over to your Windows and search for Device Manager. Now, once you have your Device Manager, you're going to go over to Batteries, click on the drop down, and here you can see two drivers. You can see the Microsoft AC adapter, and then you can also see the Microsoft ACPI compliant control method battery. Then here you can try to update the driver. So you can go to the next one and also try to update the driver, and after updating your driver you can restart your PC and see if it solves the problem. Another thing you could do if this doesn't work is to press on your keyboard the Windows button and X. Another thing you could do is to click on your Windows button, search for Terminal, and then right here you can right click on it and run as administrator. Now right here what you'll need to type in is simple. Type in power CFG, and this is as one word. Then press on the spacebar / battery report. So once you type it just like this, you can press enter, and here it says your battery life report saved to file path. So you'll need to locate the file path, and here you can see battery report. So we're going to actually open this, and here you can see battery report. You can see it's a HTML file, so make sure you're opening it with your browser. And right here, you can see that this is a report of your battery. When we scroll down, you can see installed battery, and you can see the details right here. This report helps you to understand if your battery actually needs replacement. In some cases, this might show that your battery is still fine. If it doesn't, then you'll know that you actually have to replace your battery completely. As you can see that the design capacity is 70 milliwatt hour, but the full charge capacity is currently at 57, which is fair. So if yours is drastically lower than the design capacity and the cycle count is higher depending on the specification for your product, then you'll know that it's time to replace your battery. We hope the previous steps help you, and this last step will show you if indeed your battery needs replacement. So go ahead and try the previous options and see if they work. If they don't, then you'll know for sure if you need to replace your battery.